welcome to my channel. Oh my god. Guys, can you see how wet my clothes is? Can you see? I am burning up. It is so hot today in Jamaica land, beloved. Me now tell you no lie. Did I greet you? Hi guys, walk on, what's up? Me I burn up. I mean, I'm so hot. So once again, welcome into my kitchen where it's all about low carb Nyamins. Yeah, we're trying to lose the weight and we're trying to begin to eat healthy. So we're taking it low carb. Yes. So welcome again. You know, I'm a little bit disoriented because I'm so hot. But though, let's settle, okay? So today, you know, on this channel, we try stuff out, right? Our viewers said they wanted more, you know, Jamaican stuff. You know, they want to try some more Jamaican food. So here we go. Today we're going to try doing some egg muffin using callaloo and spinach. Now listen, callaloo, for those who don't know, is something close to spinach that we use in Jamaica. We do it with saltfish, we do it with different things. It's really nice. It's a green veg, right? And so that's what we'll be trying today. The last time I did egg muffins, I put too many things in it. It did not come out well. Okay, so I'm hoping this time all goes well. But you know, we're trying stuff, so sometimes things might not go so well. Yeah, I'm perspiring. Give me a moment. My windows are open and I'm still hot. Okay, anyway, so here we go, people. We're gonna try that. Before I do that, I want to share with you a passage of scripture. Of course, I want to share the word with you. Now, the scripture verse I want to share with you today is 2 Timothy 1:7. It says, "For God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power and of love and of a sound mind." So I want to remind you today that God has not given you a spirit of fear, but of power, of love, and of a sound mind. So with all this heat that's going on, people, we're just going to jump into things because I am melting. But I really want to show you this. Right? Let's go and try and see what happens, okay? Yeah, let's go. Okay, so you may hear a bit of noise in the background, but please forgive me. Okay, so we have our Spam. Then we have basil, oregano, parsley, black pepper, sea salt, but you know it's a pink salt that I use. And for the benefit of those persons who say make it Jamaican, I have here Tastee cheese, right? Yeah, some Tastee cheese. And I have a bit of pepper jack cheese, so I'm going to be using that. And our callaloo, the main focus today, okay? Our purple onions, garlic cloves. It actually asks for garlic powder, but I prefer cloves. My tomato, my eggs. I'll be using not 5 eggs, but 8 eggs. My spinach from my farm in the back, my home garden, can I call it that? And I use the napkin to keep away the moisture from the spinach to keep it fresher for longer. Did you know that? I hope I taught you something. Let's go with the cutting. Now let's combine our first set of ingredients. Let me give you a warning, I'm a herb lover, so I'll be adding herbs to mine. Now remember, you can cut your ingredients as small as you want. It depends on, your preference. Shred your cheese yourself, it is cheaper than going to buy the pack of shredded cheese. I'm just saying. Listen, look but don't judge. My muffin tin has been around the block with me, okay? It's one of my good and faithful, as they would say. guys, let's pop these babies in and see the end result. I can't wait. Dark truth, muffin look nice and tasty. Oh my goodness, guys, look at beautiful muffins. Let me tell you, one of the joys of using the silicone muffin cups is that the muffins just pop right out. They just pop right out. No issues, no drama. Of course, I had to bite and taste. I have to tell you the truth. It was fantastic. Okay, now it's your time to go and try. So how did it go? How did it do? How do you think we did? You think it's something that you want to try? I hope it's something that you want to try. Judith, this is for you. I hope that you will try it and it will work for you. Guys, remember, you can put these in the freezer, right? You can have them there because it's a freezer, so you can have it for a little bit. Maybe I would say not exceeding 2 weeks. You can have it in the freezer, so you can pop one out, put it in the microwave or in the toaster oven or in the air fryer, whichever way you choose to warm it up. You can warm it up and enjoy it after days. That's a beautiful thing about this. It's almost like it's helping you with meal prep. So you want to get the protein in when you break your intermittent fasting. This is perfect. Take one out, pop it in the toaster oven, microwave, air fryer, wherever you want to warm it up in the oven, I don't know. But you warm them up and you can have it to break your fast. So it's a part of meal prep. So it's great. With that being said, guys, I gotta skedaddle on out of here. Me gone. May I leave the place? May I cut? Bye. Take care. Renee the foodie here saying bye-bye. See you next week.